Hi, and welcome to Mindoe. Join us on a tour of the platform and its offerings. The first thing you will see when opening the app and signing in is your home screen. Here you can keep track of your current courses. Moving on to the Explore tab in the menu. This is where you will find all courses currently available in Mindoe. The content of the courses vary, but one thing they all have in common is that they enable personal and professional growth. This looks interesting. You can listen to a free sample of each course. To unlock all content and get full access to the full library, simply get a subscription. To learn more about the individual courses, read the descriptions to find the best one for you. All course transcripts are accessible for users who prefer reading over listening. You can also download each course to make it available during times you are offline. Each course in the Mindoe library consists of 5 or more chapters, depending on the extent of the course. Each chapter is around 5 minutes, making it easy for you to learn on the go. All Mindoe courses are available in 10 different languages. This is where you keep track of your courses. My Mindoe also offers other exciting features, one being the total listening time of your account to help set personal goals. Badges are earned through being consistent in your Mindoe activity. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.